A very good morning, dear children. Again, we are going to do our English work in this activity book Cursive Zero. So take out your book and your pencil. I hope you all have taken out your book and pencil. Now open your book to page number 6. Page number 6. Fine. Children, earlier we have done this exercise, joining of capital and small letter. So we'll continue with the same exercise, but firstly we'll see what we have done, what letters we have completed in previous pages. We have completed capital cursive A is joining to small cursive A, capital cursive B is joining to small cursive B, capital cursive C is joining to small cursive C, capital cursive D is joining to small cursive D, capital cursive E is joining to small cursive E, capital cursive F is joining to small cursive F. And next page we have done capital cursive G is joining to small cursive G, capital cursive H is joining to small cursive H, capital cursive I is joining to small cursive I, capital cursive J is joining to small cursive J, capital cursive K is joining to small cursive K, capital cursive K is joining to small cursive K, capital cursive L is joining to small cursive L. So we'll go to the next page because we have completed this page. So open the next page and we'll continue the same exercise, joining of the capital and small letters. Firstly, you'll write down the date here in this corner. Then we'll come to the first letter of today. First letter is here, M for monkey. M for monkey. So children, you can see capital cursive M is joining to small cursive M. Start writing capital cursive M is joining to small cursive M. Now firstly we'll trace it here, capital cursive M to small cursive M. Next line, capital cursive M to small cursive M. Again, capital cursive M is joining to small cursive M. Children, look it carefully because I am joining this line, this slanting line to this second blue line. Okay? So you have to join like this only. Capital cursive M will join to small cursive M. Same we have to make it here. So we have completed letter M. Come to the next letter. Capital cursive N is joining to small cursive n. N for nest. N for nest. You can see the picture here. Children, again we can see the printed letter which is not joining to this blue line with this slanting line, but we have to join this like this. Firstly, I have to trace it here. Capital cursive N is joining to small cursive n like this. Please make each letter with proper stroke. Fine. Come to the next letter, letter O. O for orange. O for orange. Firstly, you have to trace it here. Capital cursive O is joining to small cursive O. Capital cursive O is joining to small cursive O. Like this. Come to the next letter, letter P. P for peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. And India is our country. You know that, na? Now, see capital cursive P. Children, join this line to capital cursive P. You have to join this standing line to this red line. Fine. Firstly you have to trace it here, and this slanting line or this curve will join to capital cursive P. Children, you have to join this capital cursive P to small cursive P. So, which is not joined in this printed letter, but you have to join this with a curve. Fine? Like this. Okay? Capital cursive P is joined to small cursive P. Capital cursive P is joined to small cursive P. Like this. Now come to the next letter. Letter Q. Q for queen. She is a queen. See? She is wearing a crown here. Q for queen. Firstly you have to trace it here. Like this. Capital cursive Q is joining to small cursive Q. Capital cursive Q is joining to small cursive Q. Capital cursive Q is joining to small cursive Q. Capital cursive Q is joining to small cursive Q. Capital cursive Q is joining to small cursive Q. Fine. Come to the next letter. Letter R. R for rose. R for rose. See children, here we have to touch this curve to the blue line like this with a slanting line. R for rose. Capital cursive R will join to small cursive R. Capital cursive R will join to small cursive R. Like this. Fine. So children, we have completed this page today. You have to make each letter with the proper stroke. Formation should be very clear. Writing should be very neat. Fine. Thank you so much children. Bye bye.